Hi! In this session, I'll show you how to create a framework mapping report. The framework mapping report is a matrix that shows you which documents have been linked to which standards in the traffic light system. To generate the report, select the framework you want to generate a report for using the Framework selection menu. Go to Reports and select Framework Mapping. Here you can see our report. This column lists all of the standards in the framework. If you want to, you can resize it by clicking and dragging this line. You can also double-click the line to resize the column automatically. The row along the top here lists all of your documents. These X's show which documents are linked to which standards. So, to find out, for example, which standard this assessment policy is linked to, look down the column until you reach an X and then look across at the standard. This assessment policy is linked to insurance, Standard 1 Element 1.2, Standard 1 Element 1.3, and so on. You can select part or all of this table and copy it into an Excel spreadsheet. Or, you can let the system generate a nicely formatted Excel sheet for you by selecting Export to Excel. Thank you for watching this NovaCore training video. If you need more information, check out our manual at help.novacore.com.au or our FAQ page at faq.novacore.com.au.